A federal government approves the construction of the world's longest tunnel, launching one of the most ambitious engineering projects in history.
Before construction can begin, experts must identify the safest and most efficient route through hundreds of kilometers of wilderness. Thousands of aerial scans are collected to create a precise digital model of the entire project corridor. Ground survey teams begin documenting every detail of the landscape with extraordinary accuracy.
Laser mapping technology reveals hidden terrain features that will influence the tunnel's final alignment.
Millions of data points are combined to build a complete three-dimensional map of the project area. Specialists study local ecosystems to protect sensitive habitats throughout construction.
Wildlife migration routes are identified to minimize environmental impact.
Water quality studies ensure nearby waterways remain protected during development. Engineers begin analyzing underground conditions that will determine construction methods.
After extensive review, environmental approval is granted, and the project moves forward.
Geotechnical investigations now begin across the entire tunnel corridor. Engineers drill exploratory boreholes to understand the geology hidden below the surface. Every layer of rock is examined to predict conditions inside the future tunnel. The strength and stability of underground formations are carefully measured. Potential fault zones and geological hazards must be identified before excavation begins. Thousands of route options are evaluated before selecting the safest alignment. The final design includes ventilation systems, emergency exits, and advanced safety infrastructure.
Site development begins as crews prepare access routes for heavy equipment.
Temporary roads are built to support one of the largest construction operations ever attempted. New transportation links allow machinery to reach previously inaccessible locations. Temporary facilities are established to support thousands of workers. Critical infrastructure is built before tunnel excavation can begin. Construction shifts toward preparing the future tunnel portals. Portal areas are stabilized to create safe access into the underground route.
Permanent support structures are installed to reinforce tunnel entrances.
The world's largest tunnel boring machines begin their journey to the site.
Thousands of machine components are transported from manufacturing facilities around the globe. Assembly crews prepare to build engineering giants unlike anything seen before.
Piece by piece, the tunnel boring machines take shape.
The cutter head will eventually grind through solid rock deep underground.
Every component undergoes extensive testing before excavation begins.
Years of planning lead to this historic moment. The machine begins carving a path into the earth 24 hours a day.
Excavated material is continuously removed as the tunnel advances.
Powerful systems drive the machine deeper beneath the landscape. Permanent tunnel walls are installed as excavation progresses.
Meter by meter, The tunnel grows beneath forests and mountains. Several excavation fronts work together to accelerate progress. Changing geology constantly challenges engineering teams.
Some sections require extraordinary force to penetrate solid rock.
Special stabilization measures protect workers and equipment. Groundwater pressure becomes one of the project's greatest challenges.
Engineers seal water pathways before excavation continues.
Ventilation shafts are constructed to support future tunnel operations.
These shafts connect the tunnel to the surface far below.
Permanent structural support ensures long-term stability.
Material removed from the tunnel is transported for processing.
Much of the excavated material is reused in other infrastructure projects. Accurate positioning is critical over such extraordinary distances. Advanced technology keeps excavation precisely on course. Progress is measured continuously throughout construction. The route advances through some of the most challenging geology on Earth.
Construction continues through harsh winters and demanding summers.
Thousands of workers contribute to this unprecedented undertaking.
Work continues around the clock to maintain progress. The most anticipated moment of excavation approaches.
Precision becomes more important than ever before in breakthrough. Separate excavation teams prepare to meet deep underground. Years of effort are about to culminate in a historic achievement. Breakthrough is achieved, marking one of the project's greatest milestones. The successful breakthrough confirms extraordinary engineering accuracy. Excavation is complete, but major work still remains.
Permanent drainage systems are added throughout the structure.
Power distribution networks are installed across the entire route. Advanced lighting systems improve visibility and safety.
Every section is equipped with state-of-the-art safety technology. Ventilation systems ensure fresh air throughout the tunnel.
Airflow systems undergo extensive performance verification.
Safety remains a top priority from beginning to end. The travel corridor begins taking its final form.
Every surface must meet strict engineering standards. Continuous surveillance enhances operational safety.
A centralized operations center oversees every aspect of tunnel performance.
Safety procedures are tested repeatedly before opening.
Every emergency system must function flawlessly. Redundant systems ensure reliability under all conditions.
The project enters its final approval phase.
Every component undergoes comprehensive assessment.
Environmental restoration efforts return much of the surrounding land to nature.
Rehabilitation programs help preserve ecological balance.
After years of effort, the world's longest tunnel is finally complete.
A historic inauguration celebrates this engineering masterpiece. The project symbolizes innovation, determination, and national progress.
Thousands of people contributed to making this vision a reality.
The tunnel officially begins operation.
Travel times are dramatically reduced across the region. The new connection transforms transportation and commerce. Economic opportunities expand throughout the connected regions.
The tunnel strengthens national infrastructure for generations to come.
Millions of people will benefit from this extraordinary achievement. What began as an idea in a forest became one of humanity's greatest engineering accomplishments.